Hello. Today I'd like to show you how you can virtualize your CICS calls using unit testing in Topaz for Total Test. As with IMS, DB2, vSAM, and QSAM programs, we use Expediter to automatically collect and virtualize the data. Virtualizing data means developers can isolate testing to the program and remove the dependency on the system they are running on. After the data has been virtualized, we can run the test case without the need for a live CICS region. The test case is now ran in a batch mode. So let's begin by executing a launch configuration in Expediter on my CICS program. Once the program has launched, Expediter waits for the transaction to be kicked off. I now log into my CICS region to kick off that transaction. Once the transaction has been kicked off, Expediter will begin the debug session. As with DB2, IMS, and other batch programs, I now have the option to generate a unit test case. In this example, I will create a new project to place my collected data into. Next, I will hit OK and continue to execute my program. After the program finishes executing, I get a response back indicating that a test case and test scenario has been created. Once I hit OK, the report for the transaction will be returned. At this point, we have finished collecting the program data. Let's now take a look at the virtualized data that was captured. In our example, we automatically collected data for the following CICS commands: the send receive, the ask time, assign, format time, return, and the temporary storage queue. So now let's open up one of the temporary storage queue files. We show you what the expected value is to be written out. If the program changed and the same test case was ran, we would compare the expected value originally captured against the changed program. If there was a value we did not want to compare on, we can simply come in and change the assertion value. Now let's run the test case. I go to my scenario folder and double-click on my test scenario, and I get my test case. To run it, I just simply go up to the green arrow and hit Run. I'm going to have to pick my host connection and my JCL and hit OK. When the report comes back, we'll show you the results of the test case. In this instance, we have a 100% success rate. That means there was no errors between the time it was collected compared to the test case run. Had there been an error, it would appear in the failure column, and we would also show the expected and actual values on the report. So today I demonstrated how you can capture a test case using a live CICS transaction and then run the test case with virtualized data collected from Expediter in a batch mode. Thank you for watching today's demonstration.